Hey, Simon Davis here, also known as Zone Trader. Today I'm going to be talking about what's happened this year in Great Britain USD and how you could have got into some of these moves. All principles from ICT Inner Circle Trader. Those of you who are advanced Inner Circle Trader traders might not find any value here because it is basic stuff, but I am making this video for a broad audience. So on Instagram I spoke about this order block, the daily order block on Instagram. It's on my Instagram timestamp that it's going to set up sells for the month, and it's done just that. So an order block is a up move before the fast down move. So the last up move for the fast down move is an order block. Once price returns into this box, which is the order block, then you can look for sells, but not only from the daily, but it's like a Russian doll effect. You can drop down into the 4 hour and find an order block within the 4 hour as well. So we found an order block within the daily, a 4 hour order block within the daily, and you can even see another 4 hour order block here, setting up all beautiful sells to eventually take out stops below here eventually, which we do eventually. So now we're from 4 hour to hour. So you've got an hourly order block, which I've already crossed off there, already marked off. So now we've got an hourly order block here, and we can, now we've dropped down the daily, the 4 hours, the hour. We can go into 50 minutes if we want and find an order block within the 50 minutes as well to make your stop loss even smaller, risk even smaller. So this order block here on the daily set up the whole year pretty much. So eventually, like I said, take out stops here. Once it's took out stops here, that means that it's fulfilled its mission and it's come back up into another institutional order block on the daily, and then drops again to take out more stops below here and below here. As you can see, the market has taken out stops. I do believe we are going to fill in this gap here because it's a huge fast move, which is called a void. I do believe we're going to fill in that gap there, taking out stops below here and taking out stops below here. So with that in mind, at the minute as the market stands, we have a 750 pip target, bearish. At the minute I'm in a sell. I've already took money out of the market. I'm looking at this to be a breaker. We shouldn't really clear out this high. We should fall before breaking this high. If it breaks this high, then probably the trade's going to go higher. Probably go to this order block, take me out, and then drop. But that's okay, because I've already took money out of the market today. So let's go into the hour, so what we can see. So as you can see, when it's run stops, if it's run stops on the daily, you can always drop down into the hour, find a turtle soup or an order block or a breaker. A turtle soup is pretty much a run on stops. So if it's ran a daily run on stops previous, as we're showing, it ran the stops all the way down weeks and months ago. So once it's ran the stops from that month or the week, then you can go down to small time frames and find another run of stops, which is a turtle soup, to get in an entry on a buy order. You can buy the market from there. There's not really a breaker there, but there's a breaker here. So we've got high and a higher high, and then once the price has broken the breaker, broken this order block, broken the breaker, it returns to the breaker, then you can sell into that here and here. Then you get an order block off that as well into another sell. So you only sell in the market once it's created a high, 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 and it's broke that high, high, high. You only look to sell the market from then on. So quite a bit of information there for you guys to take in, digest, and use within your charts. Go back and watch this video again. We do have a course called the FX Acceleration Program and the Pro Traders Price Action Course Plus, which is basically you get both. And we have over 10 setups within that course. At the minute it stands at £99, which is, if it's 10 setups, it's about £10 a setup, which if you put money on the setup, you'll definitely make more than £10. So it pays for itself. If you went through a course and it made you money, how much did you really pay for the course? I'm always here updating you with the latest and greatest in price action. That's why we have over 10 setups now in our playbook, in our FX Acceleration and Pro Traders Price Actions playbook that we give you straight away, no questions asked, all of the information you ever wanted to improve yourself as a trader. So if you'd like that, then reach out to me or go to the link tree below or the Instagram link below, message me and ask for a £99 course, and we'll always keep you updated. We've just updated 2 new videos in the back office, price action and psychology, and we always continue every single time we find something new. Is we update you with that information, which most courses don't. They'll actually say, oh, give us another grand, give us another £2 and we'll teach you this trick or we'll teach you that trick. But once you're in with a one-time fee, you're in for life, and we'll always keep you updated. So what we offer is not only 10 or more trade setups that you can take away and use within your trading straight away, we also offer confirmation. We give you confirmation in trades, so you don't get burned by those order blocks, some of those order blocks that don't work. Don't get burned by the breakers that don't work. We have extra confirmation, 3 simple confirmations to give you more confidence and clarity in the market, so you can trade bigger and better. Trade less, but trade bigger and better to build your accounts faster. So until then, stay disciplined, stay patient, always follow your rules, and manage your risk. I've been Simon Davis, also known as Zone Trader.